Welcome to this tutorial on how to open Microsoft Word, PowerPoint and Excel using the command prompt on a Windows 10 computer. In this guide you will learn the simple keyboard commands and instructions needed to launch these applications quickly and efficiently without navigating through the usual menus. We begin by focusing on starting with PowerPoint and then move through the process for Excel and Word. Begin by opening PowerPoint on your computer. If PowerPoint is already installed on your system, locate and launch it in your usual manner. This step introduces you to the process and helps ensure that the software is ready to be worked on during the subsequent steps. Once PowerPoint is open, navigate to the presentation you intend to work on. Whether you are preparing for a meeting or reviewing slides, having the correct presentation file open is important before proceeding with command line instructions. After you have your PowerPoint presentation in view, the next step is to access the Windows command prompt. To do this, start by pressing the Windows key on your keyboard, which will bring up the Start menu and allow you to search for applications. Alternatively, you can quickly bring up the Run dialog box by pressing the combination of the Windows key and the letter R simultaneously. This dual approach is provided so you have options based on your comfort level with keyboard shortcuts. Once you see the search area or the Run dialog box, type in the letters CMD. This tells the system that you wish to open the command prompt. Once the command prompt window is visible, you are ready to begin inputting the commands that will launch Excel, PowerPoint and Word. Now to open Microsoft Excel, type the command start followed by Excel. In this context, the start command is a built-in feature in Windows that allows you to open programs directly from the command prompt. This method bypasses the need to manually click on the Excel icon on your desktop or in the start menu, making the process more direct. After issuing the command, Excel will launch, and you can then verify that the application has started correctly. Following the successful launch of Excel, you will move on to opening PowerPoint using a similar approach. Simply type the command start followed by PowerPNT. It is important to note that the command is slightly different from the typical name of the program. By typing PowerPNT, you signal to Windows to open PowerPoint via the command prompt. Watching as PowerPoint launches again from this command confirms that the process functions properly for both opening through its display in the Start menu and via command line interface. Lastly, to open a Microsoft Word document, you will use a similar command line instruction. In the command prompt window, type start followed by WinWord. This instructs Windows to locate and launch Microsoft Word, allowing you to then work on your document as needed. Using command line commands to launch Word is a quick alternative to the traditional clicking method, saving time for those who prefer using keyboard shortcuts. By following these steps carefully, you will be able to open each of the 3 major Microsoft Office applications directly from the command prompt. This method increases productivity and streamlines workflow for users who are comfortable utilizing command line instructions. Enjoy the ease of accessing your Office programs with these quick commands and make the most of your Windows 10 experience.